So let's do a quick mic test. So here I have put my fan in the full speed, and this is me speaking without the mic. Now you just have to connect your receiver to the mobile port and then on the mic. The switch is in the back side of the mic, and you will see the alternating green and red light. After connecting this port, you will see only green light, which means that the device has been connected to the mobile. Okay, now I have connected the receiver and now I am speaking with a mic with same full speed fan. So I think yeah, it does uh, a very good job with the ANC, but it does change my voice also to a level which I didn't like it. But you guys tell me in the comments, how do you like the difference?